I have a Honeywell Error Code 53 and understand it is a bad outdoor temperature sensor. I have a carrier system. Where can I get this replacement part?
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
I think it is about 10 years old and this is the first time I have ever seen this message.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I would like to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really, just the part that I need to replace. Thanks.
What is the model on your outdoor unit? And can you look to make sure the sensor is not loose or has a bad connection? Often vibration can cause the sensor or a wire to dislocate, resulting in the error. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
It is 25 ICA 324 A0030010. Where is the sensor located? I have not been out to the unit to check it yet.
There are 2 thermistors in outdoor unit. The OAT is right beside control board. The OCT clamps onto outdoor coil tubing. See below.
Okay, I will have to check this evening when I get home and get back with you. Thanks.
If all looks good, you will need to try to locate a part number on the sensor to find a replacement. My manual is not showing the sensor as an independent part.
Sounds good, thanks.
The sensors may come as part of a kit including the board and both sensors, but usually you can find a number stamped or on a label on each.
The October I found on the coil was connected to the defrost on the board. I didn't see a note beside the control board.
The error is actually for the OAT. Is there a wire attached to OAT terminal on board?
I don't see an OAT terminal on the board. Attached is a picture of the board. Here is a picture of the diagram.
Nope, I don't either. It does not appear your unit has one. Maybe there is a setting in thermostat that needs to be changed. Has anyone messed with thermostat? And what thermostat do you have?
No one has messed with it. It is a Honeywell Vision Pro IAC. The manual says there are optional remote sensors, inside and outside. The outside temperature is reading blank dash.
If there is no OAT, that's normal. Just do not know why you got an error code.
I just pulled the thermostat off the wall and plugged it back in, and the error code is gone. It has done this before about a week ago when it first started.
Maybe a fluke, but if there is not one, we do not have to worry about it being bad or not working.
Well, I put everything back together and put the fuse back in, and the message came back.
See a number on stat like 8,000 or 6,000?
On the thermostat, I see a 0650 on the backside when I unplugged it. Other than that, none of those numbers. There is a number TH9421C1004 that appears to be a model or serial number.
Do you know how to get to setup move? If so, check function 342 and make sure it is set to none. See pages 12 to 15 in manual at this link https:/customer.honeywell.com/resources/techlit/techlit document/68000s/6820287.pdf.
I was able to access it, but it would not let me change the setting from 1 to 0. I see where the outside temp sensor is plugged into the board and will see if I can trace the wires to find the sensor.
OK. If you need to, unplug it and then try to change setting. The outdoor sensor will not prevent unit from working.
Using the diagram in the manual you provided, I traced a black and brown wire back out to the unit and found the sensor shoved inside of the electrical conduit, so that is why I never found it. I got the part number C7089U1006 and will look it up to replace it.
Great job. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.